Okay, guys, so I've seen other YouTubers doing theirs. I'm gonna do, I guess, what is called my version of a stockpile video. For me, personally, it's a little different because my stockpile is ever revolving. Um, my husband is one of six, so we are constantly giving things to family members, taking things to family members. I've got one cabinet that I call my mother-in-law cabinet. I load it up for her, take it to her when we go up every time. And then I also run a business with my bundles. So I am constantly buying, selling, trading, moving. Things are ever evolving. So one week my stockpile room will look one way. The next week it may look completely different. The general idea is always the same. So I'll go ahead and give you that rundown real quick. So this cabinet, these two doors here, this is our personal use stuff that we're either already using or fixing to use. The middle set of cabinets, these two are, I guess you could call them public. It's friends, family, bundles, all of that. It all goes into this cabinet. Then, currently, this is not my mother-in-law cabinet, but that's because this past week we got back from taking her cabinet full of supplies. So I had everything stocked in here full for her, but she is very brand specific. So I haven't cycled back through to get some of the items that she is brand specific on. So like their sales cycle hasn't come back around yet. So I haven't really began refilling this with stuff for her. I have began filling it though. So, and I'll show you guys kind of what's in it in a little better organization situation here in a minute. But next, this is a personal care cabinet. And then we have the door. This particular door holds lots of various things. There's personal care, laundry, paper goods. We'll get to that in a second. But then there's also, and as you can see, like up here, razors. There's a couple boxes of hefty trash bags, which I need to get some more of because that's my actual last two unopened boxes. But then as far as actual, like, real paper goods that we're keeping to use in our household, I keep them where they belong. So, like, my paper plates, plastic cups, paper towels, those are situated in my kitchen. I have a nice size pantry, so I keep all of our paper towels in the bottom of the pantry. There is a cabinet, a small cabinet above where the microwave used to go, and I keep that stocked with the cups and plates. And then I have a utility closet in the hallway where I keep toilet papers. Where I keep toilet papers. So, I'm going to flip this around and show you guys what we're doing. Alright, so I have to back up just a bit because of the way the camera does. But this is what I was telling you just a minute ago is the personal use cabinet. So this cabinet is where I put all of the stuff that we are either currently using, plan to be using. This is kind of like I stock it full of use. Now, in here you're going to see several different like laundry detergent types. I do that for a couple of reasons. Number one, I have a child with sensitive skin. Number two, I have two sweaty, stinky boys. And then somewhere in the middle, there is me and my girls, or me and my other daughter. And so we love our Gain products. And hubby don't mind to have his washed in that either. So we kind of go between these three. The odor protectant, the Gain for mom, because I am very Gain loyal. As you can see, we got Swiffers and Gains and Gains and Gains everywhere. And then the sensitive and free ones for my daughter. And then as you can see over here, I've got cleaning type stuff. So I've got the wipes. Here's some dish liquid. some Mr. Clean spray. There's bleach back there. Lysol's back there. And then up here we have more. I think this top shelf is more mostly unused items. I know this and this are 2 used items, but they kind of don't fit in this space. So this is kind of unopened, unused items that I've got that'll be like the next to pull down on the shelf. These are also open items, stuff that we are currently using. So let me step back. That is my personal use cabinet and kind of what all I have in there. No, it's not organized, but it's the Hot Mess Express. So moving on. Dun, 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 dun. Here is, let me back up. Okay. So in this cabinet, as you can see, there was some organization, but then it went all to crap. Just saying. But we've got like the air sprays and stuff like that in here. I actually want to move that up there. I need to get some more toilet bowl cleaners. There's wipes. This was all like air sprays and stuff. And then there's a couple of those up there. This is all pods. That is all pods. These are scents and smell goods. So this is solely what is in this container. Is the different air wicks, the different oils to put in air wicks, and then I got like some of the small spaces and refills for them. So that's what all goes into that box. Alright, then up here on the top shelf, I've got some Swiffer refills, a pack of dishwasher pods, which I need to get some more of those too. Then we've got fabric sheets lining the top of the shelf. Now, throughout this video, you guys are going to see this stuff up here, and it's probably going to annoy the shit out of my OCD friends. Alright, sorry about that, guys. We had to pause that for a second. My son was leaving to go stay with a friend. But anyway, so for my OCD friends, you guys are going to see this throughout the video, and you're going to think, what in the shit is on top of her shelves? Okay, so this is my excess. All of these are small mini items, okay? So, this is all toothbrushes. This is all minis and hair bows. And, like, miscellaneous girly stuff like that. Then, of course, there's a couple other little random things up there. But these are some more clearance goodies that I have found. I got that thing there for, like, $5. I was so doggone excited. This one is makeup. This one is wet wipes. So it's like the Kleenex wet wipes, Cottonelle wet wipes, women's deodorant, men's deodorant, and a light that I need to have put up. Okay, so we've done cabinet 1 and cabinet 2. This one is a little hideous at the moment, okay? So don't judge me, don't judge me, don't judge me. Facial care, small bottles of detergent, every last bit of this is bar soap. And then on the top, as far as Stockpile, I've got a couple more facial items, which I need to move down here. And then all of these are wet wipes, like hand wipes, antibacterial hand wipes. Ta-da! I am stockpiling that in particular for like hurricane season. We run out of water and stuff, we will still be washing our hands, boo-boo. Okay. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it. But this is my Toto toothpaste. Okay? Now, I have this much toothpaste in my life because I use one kind, hubby uses another kind, then we've got another kind that somebody else in the house uses. I mean, there's 6 of us, for real. Okay? Next up, these are the pad situation. I can never find anything any better to do with pads then throw them into this doggone tote. Because they're so squishy, they fall, they slide, they move around, and they just don't have a really awesome place in my stockpile. So if anybody has any suggestions other than, you know, a tote, great. Send it my way. Okay. Getting there, y'all. Getting there. Ooh, I forgot to put those up. Where do I put them? Crap. Ooh. Avalanche. I'll get that in a minute. Okay. So here's this next cabinet. And I've been working on this one. I've added, I've taken away, and then I add some more, and then I take away a whole lot more. So more mini items. And these I'm excited for because we take them to like my mother-in-law's when we go on vacation. That way I don't leave my full-size Bath & Body Works soap at my mother-in-law's. Just saying. So, Cooch wipes. All of this is shaving gel and cream. This is my stockpile of sunscreen. And y'all, this won't be going nowhere because we live at the beach. And I'm pretty sure that this season alone, we will use almost every stinking bottle. This was a penny sale item. But we will probably use almost every bottle of this by the time that summer is over. Then I'm loaded out with Summer's Eve. Wash. Spray. We're going to make sure it's clean around here, y'all. Lotions. Then we've got medicines and miscellaneous, like medicine type items here. Vitamins. All of that good stuff. Running low on soft soap, are we? Hey, I've got some that seem to be missing. I wonder where they went to. I'm going to have to find those. Because the ones with the pump. Oh, wait. Nope. Ta-da! Okay. Body scrubs, men's body wash, baby oil, body wash in both of those, mouthwash, miscellaneous body washes. Like, I'm not even sure why I did this way. Yeah. Anyway. So, yeah, we've got all the body washes and all that good stuff in there. Almost done, y'all. Almost done. Because I'm not going to show you my cabinets in yonder. In my pantry. Okay. Up there in a dark abyss, there is 6 bottles of extra detergent. Then over here in this corner is some Gain dish liquid. Below 2 cans of dog food. These are all of like the larger sizes of the liquid detergents. So like this one is a 60 ounce. This one is a 75. This Tide is currently open and in use. This is amazing for stinky boy clothes. And then there's another row back there in the back with more of those. Now, this situation. It started off very nice and organized. It's not so great anymore, but it's still not too bad. Alright, everything down this side here is Head and Shoulders lined up to the back. These are all in this row. These are all conditioners. These are all shampoos. What had happened was, if a clearance sale, if a sale's happening and I can get it, I'm going to get it. The thing is, for some odd reason, most people are buying, like, these are all shampoos. I have 4 identical shampoos I got on clearance today, okay? But all the conditioner's gone. So none of it matched. None of it. But that's okay, because then I got 2 rows here of all matching shampoos and conditioners. So, as you can see, I've got, like, that. There's a Love Beauty Planet one. There's Dove. Oof. Garnier. So I've got 2 rows here of completely matching shampoo and conditioners. Then I've got 2 rows of candles. Several of these are, or most of these, are double stacked. No, just these 3. Yeah, these first 3 that you can see here, these 3 are double stacked. And then I've got 6 large candles back here. Then we've got some hair care back here that you guys can't completely see, but there is like 7 or 8 bottles of hair care items that are stylers. 3 bedtime baby items, Johnson's. This is just a little miscellaneous basket of goodies. Then we've got some hair styling. This is mostly like men's. My sons like to fix their hair. But I do have like the Elvive Extraordinary Oil and the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask. So, moving on down, and this is going to wind us up, guys. Diapers, diapers, diapers. Toilet paper. Wipies. And paper towels. So, that is my stock room and kind of how it's set up now, guys. I hope that you guys have truly all enjoyed this video. Just maybe to give you guys an idea on what you can do in your own homes to set up and utilize some storage that you already have. Yeah, this is a clearance item down here too. I got this one for hubby. But that's it, guys. That is my storage for my stock. These little totes are absolutely amazing, and they go on clearance at the end of every season for the color of whatever the lid is. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed it, really. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, comment, and let me know what you think about my storage situation in here. This is all, like, it's my laundry / stock room. So, see you guys in the next video.